Welcome to Clear Maths. You can clear all your doubts and concept. In this class, we are going to learn real numbers first chapter, exercise 1.3. Chapter number 1, exercise number 1.3. Here you can see first problem. Prove that root 5 is irrational. Root 5 irrational. So very important and problem this is. So from this exercise we can expect the one guarantee question in CBSE board exam. So the last year in CBSE they ask you prove that root 3 as is irrational number. So this is exercise problem. Example number 9, prove that root 3 is irrational. Exercise number 1, root 3 irrational number. Prove that theorem 1.4 this theorem. So root 2 we are proving that is irrational. So in textbook this type of problems we have 3 problems. One is root 5, root 3, root 2. So this place they may give the root 7, root 8, root 11. We can any problem you can do if you learn clearly the one problem. Okay, now we will see. This is our problem. Prove that root 5 is irrational. 1.3. So this problem we will prove in indirect method. So that indirect method is, so I am assuming solution. I assume that is root 5 is not irrational number. Actually we need to prove that is a irrational number, but I am assuming is not irrational number. So if it is not irrational number, so I am selecting let assume root 5 is not irrational. If it is not irrational, is rational. I give one example, like in a classroom, if I select a student, the student is not boy, no doubt the student is girl. Like in the numbers also in our syllabus, if the number is not irrational, is a rational. If it is not a rational, is a irrational. Rational, irrational, opposite sets. Okay, opposite numbers. So you remember like that. Root 5. If it is not irrational number, is root 5 is a rational. So we know that the definition of the rational number, every rational number we can write p by q form. So root 5 is also you can write as p by q. So I am taking a by b here, numerator denominator. So here how the a b are, a comma b are co-primes. Co-prime means there is no common factor for this, the simplest form of the fraction. So there is no common factor other than 1. And here as per condition both numerator and denominator belongs to z integers, the denominator be not equal to 0. So this is a condition here. Clear? So such type of a rational number is a rational number. Rational number means numerator denominator should be integers, denominator not equal to 0. And the what type of rational number? It is a, b or the co-prime. There is no simplest form. Is the simplest form. You cannot do any more simplification. Clear? Now I am simplifying this one. No. So for this fraction no simplification. That means okay, take the b other side, b into root 5, that is equal to a. So now I am squaring on both sides. then it becomes b root 5 whole square a square. It becomes, then it becomes, so is b square root 5 square. This is a square, so it is becomes a b square into square root cancel. Square root cancel is a 5, that is equal to a square. A square we written here product of two numbers b square into 5. So if any number is written the product of two numbers, that two numbers are I am writing here. 6 is equal to 3 into 2. So 3 and 2 are the factors of 6. So if any number is a possible to product of two numbers, the two numbers are the factors of 6. Okay. Now here b and 5 are the factors of 6. So I am factor of a square. 5 is a factor of a square. If 5 is a factor of a square, 5 is also factor of a, because a is a if it is factor of a square, also factor of a. Clear? Now 5 is a factor of a. So this is an important sentence you need to remember. 5 is a factor of a. 5 is factor of a. Now, so now in this case, let I am taking a is equal to some 2c. Sorry, 5. So 5c. A is equal to a number is equal to. Okay. Now it is becoming. So I am substituting here b square in this I am substituting. Okay, otherwise you can write a is equal to 5b square. B square into 5, that is equal to here a square is there. A means 5c whole square. Clear? Now this is equal to b square into 5, that is equal to, it become a 25 into c square. So we can cancel the 5 in 25 5 times. So b square becomes 5 into c square. Now, so here you can see the what we are discussed here. See, b square into 5 is equal to a square. Then we said 5 is a factor of a square. A square you return the product of two terms. Similarly here b square also you got b square is equal to 5 into something, product of two numbers. So two numbers are the factors of b square. So 5 is a factor, c square is a factor. Now I am 5 is a factor of b square. If 5 is factor of b square, 5 is also factor of b. So it is important. 5 is factor of b. Now already I put one box. I want to move back. So here 5 is factor of a. Now 5 is factor of b. You can see here 5 is factor of a, 5 is factor of b. Okay. So 5 is a common number, common factor for a and b. So you can give from this sentence you can write a sentence. 5 is a common factor of a and b, but this contradicts to fact. So this contradicts to the fact a comma b are co-prime. This meaning is actually AB, we are selected the fraction AB, A by B. So in the beginning, here there is no common factor for AB. A comma B are co-primes. There is no common factor. But at the ending, we got A comma B are the common factor 5 is there. 5 is a common factor of A and B from this, what our proof. So this is a wrong. Okay, something is going wrong. So you done something is wrong. Where? So our procedure all correct only, but the what is wrong? Our assumption is wrong. So you write, therefore our assumption is wrong. What we are assumed? We assume that root 2 is not irrational number. So that is wrong. So what is correct? Root 5 is a irrational that's all, irrational number. You can write, therefore root 5 is irrational number. So this is our proof. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe for my channel. It will help us me, it will encourage me. Okay, for your all doubts and your all CBSE mathematics 10th class or other classes, you can watch in our channel. Thank you.